Well, hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to be making an apple dessert that someone shared with me. It's supposed to be quick and easy. All we need is some cinnamon rolls. Can y'all see that? Some heavy whipping cream, some brown sugar, and butter. I got some real butter here, y'all, today, because y'all know I don't really do real butter like that. And I also got my, I can't believe it's butter. We've got the oven preheating to 350 degrees. So how y'all doing today? I hope everybody's doing well. It's your girl, Kietha T, coming back to you with another video. I hope you all are enjoying my channel so far. So let's get started. So the first thing we're supposed to do is pour some heavy cream to the bottom of the baking pan. Can y'all see that? So we're just basically gonna coat the bottom of the pan with the heavy cream. Then we're gonna go ahead and open up our cinnamons. I got 2 of them here because I don't know if I will need 1 or 2 of them. My hands have already been washed. Make sure your hands are clean before you start anything in the kitchen, guys. Now, how do I get this thing open? Ooh, this is a challenge. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I'm trying to get this glaze, and we're just gonna go ahead and set that to the side because we won't need that until later. How y'all doing today on this fine Saturday afternoon? I hope everybody's well. Guys, I hope you're enjoying my my content. If you haven't, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. Come on and become a part of the family, y'all. So, what we're supposed to do, we're supposed to cut these into 4s. Like so. Like so. And then we just lay them down in here. I don't want to bore you all, so I'm going to try to move a little fast. Probably be better if I had a plate and just cut them first and then layer them. Let's try that. So yeah, it's Saturday afternoon. It's a beautiful day. Like I said, I hope you guys are having a great day too. This is some apple dessert that was shared with me by one of my friends at work. I work at a hospital, y'all. I meet a lot of people, and one of our patients' wife shared this with me, and I told her I was going to make it this weekend because it looked really good. And y'all know me, I like to experiment. If you haven't figured that out yet, keep watching. Your girl loves to experiment. So yeah, let's just get these babies cut. You cut them into 4s, and then you're gonna layer them in the pan or your baking dish. All right, y'all, so that's 1 can down. Let's go ahead and see what this is gonna look like if we're going to need the other can. Y'all keep my husband in prayer. He just found out that his cousin is in the hospital. He went off to see her. I tell you, it's always something. That's life. But keep him in prayer in the family, you know. Latricia, we praying for you, girl. We love you much. Has anybody ever seen this? I'm not sure what it's called, but it's some type of a apple dumpling dessert of some sort. Probably something that I really don't need, but it looked good, so we're gonna try it and we're gonna see if it's good. Y'all, look at that. I'm glad I bought 2 cans because I need more. All right. And for the second can, y'all. Opening up the second can. This is always such a struggle. Ugh. Your mama trying to open up the biscuit cans. Ugh. Why am I having such a hard time with this? Do it like my mama used to do back in the day. Hit that baby on the counter. All right, let's cut these babies into 4s. Y'all got it by now. So, don't forget, if you're new, this is your girl Kietha T. Today we're experimenting with this apple dessert. If you're enjoying the content, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe and become a part of your girl's family. So we're going to go ahead and place those in. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I like a lot of dough in my like dumpling style desserts. So we're just gonna squeeze a couple more pieces in here. Y'all know what I forgot to do? I didn't show you all. We need the apples. You gotta have the apples. This is an apple dessert. So how can I make it without the apples? I see a couple of spaces. Let's try to squeeze one more in there. Okay, let's fill up those empty spots, y'all. Okay, y'all, that's what the bottom is looking like thus far, okay? Now, I don't know what I'm supposed to do next, but I'm gonna go in with my apples. Got 1 can of apple pie filling. Y'all, I gotta wash the top of my can off. That's the first thing I gotta do. Because you know, these cans are stored at a warehouse, and I don't trust it. All right, so now let's put the apples right on top. I don't know how much, but I don't think we're gonna need both cans of the apples. We're just gonna spread these babies out like so. Probably could, but I'm not. Yeah, I'm just gonna do 1 can for now. I don't want to do too much. Try to get all that apple. Okay, y'all, I think that's good. So what we're gonna do next, we're gonna go in with our brown sugar. Brown sugar going on top, guys. Not too much. Let's just scoop some out, then we'll spread it out if we can. Okay, let's see. Let's spread this out. Maybe just a little bit more. Miss Joanne, if you see this video, I told you I was going to experiment this weekend, girl. I'm going to let you know. I feel like I'm putting an awful lot of brown sugar. I don't know. I don't want it to be too sweet, y'all. All right, y'all, the last step. Our last step is to layer the butter on top. So y'all know I don't like to do real butter too much because your girl be having stomach issues. But I'm going to put a little bit. You see what I did? I cut them in half. I'm just going to do a very little. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some of my, I can't believe it's butter. Because I don't want to be curled up later. All right, y'all see that? Now let's go in with a little bit of this. Because I don't know how much butter I'm supposed to use, so we're just going to do a little bit to fill in those spots, guys. I know to my buddy that said the real butter is better. It is better, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it's actually better for us. Unfortunately, it hurts me, so I have to find alternatives. And I find that this one is not too bad when I'm doing my cooking recipes. All right, y'all, so that's what we have. This is what it's looking like. Now, in the oven for about 30 minutes back, and I'll let you see the end result. Okay, so if you're enjoying this video, y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Come on and join the family. Come on and be a part of the family. We can do this, guys. We can do this. So anyway, there you have it. That's the apple dessert. That's the final result. I just drizzled the white icing on, and there you have her.